If your hair is always falling off, or your scalp is always itchy, or you are experiencing any form of dandruff or any scalp issue, then this hair tea is definitely for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the most effective hair tea that will help solve your hair problem. My name is Naza, and I make all the hair products I use in growing my natural hair. Welcome to the channel. In an empty pot, you are going to add your lemongrass. Lemongrass prevents hair fall. It contains citrinoid and nera, which can help prevent hair from falling off. It also helps maintain a healthy scalp. Lemongrass can also help you fight fungi, and this is as a result of the help of its antimicrobial properties. It can also help tighten the hair pore and also improve the texture and the shine of your hair. Next is lemon. It contains vitamin C, which help produce collagens. Collagen strengthens the hair follicle. It also has antibacterial property that can help fight dandruff, which is what you need. Relieve scalp itchiness, protect the hair from damage, restore scalp pH, which is the most important reason why we are adding it to this tea. The next thing we are adding is mint leaf. Mint leaf is rich in menthol, and it helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp and the root of the hair, and it can help promote hair growth and also help fight some scalp issues. Our next ingredient, which is the pineapple peel, which is an exfoliating property. It helps eliminate dead skin cells from the scalp and unclog the hair follicles. So this is the most important ingredient of this formation for me. Next, we are adding the moringa leaf, rich in essential vitamins like vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin B, and also iron, and these nutrients work together to nourish the hair follicle, strengthen hair strand, and improve overall hair health. We are adding black pepper. Black pepper is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, carotenoid, flavonoid, folic acid, potassium, and other nutrients, and the presence of all these equates to outstanding hair growth. Like, it stimulates the scalp. Next ingredient we are adding is clove. Clove strengthens the hair strands, it controls hair loss, it treats dandruff, promotes shiny hair, stimulates the hair follicles. Water is the next thing you need, because water is what is going to combine all these ingredients together. Then finally, we will add our fenugreek seed. Fenugreek may improve blood flow to the scalp, and it helps promote hair growth. Here we have everything combined. We would have added ginger, but we already have enough stimulators. So here you boil, and when it is a bit cooled down, this is how you use it. There are different ways of using this hair tea depending on what you are fighting. So here we are trying to balance the hair pH, we are fighting hair loss, and we are also trying to exfoliate the scalp. So this is how I prep this for this. And here I'm trying to exfoliate my scalp and also improve the texture and the shine of my hair. So this is another way you can use this hair tea. It works perfectly, and at the end of the day you feel a little bit of sensation. Note the black pepper, be very careful with it as the spirit leads, but be very careful because it can be a little bit hot. Then another way you can use it is as a pre-poo. So while you are trying to apply your pre-poo, you can spray it all over your hair strands, especially your scalp. So spraying it on the hair strand is to exfoliate and unclog the pore of the hair. And also while washing, you can add it as your rinse while washing your hair, or mix it with your shampoo. It improves hair shine and makes your hair looks very beautiful and shiny. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you try it if you're having any form of scalp issue. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next one.